my lovely students, how are you? I really do miss you very, very much. I hope you are all doing well and I hope that you had your breakfast. Please don't forget to take your breakfast. Okay, inshallah, today we are going to start with the backpack. We are going to start with the backpack, unit number 6. Unit number 6, which is every day. Every day. What does that mean? Every day. When I say I go to school every day. Every day. Every day يعني كل يوم. Excellent. Every day means كل يوم. Okay. Here we have things to do every day. أشياء بنعملها كل يوم. Things to do. Things أشياء to do نعملها. Things to do, things that we do every day. Going to school, here is the school, and having our lunch, ناكل غدائنا, and doing our homework, نعمل واجباتنا. And the last thing is going to bed. نروح على التخت. Why? In order to sleep. Okay? So here we have things that we do every day. أشياء بنعملها كل يوم. Okay? حكينا from going to school to having our lunch to doing our homework, and the last thing we do at the night, we go to our bed in order to sleep. حتى ننام. Okay? Okay. Now let's listen to this song. This is a song. Let's listen to it. It is from morning to night. From morning يعني من الصباح إلى المساء أو إلى الليل. Okay? From morning to night. Night means الليل. From morning يعني من الصبح لليل. من الصبح لليل. Okay? From morning to night. From morning to night. Morning means الصباح. لما أحكي لكم good morning يعني صباح جيد. صباح الخير. Good morning صباح الخير. Morning means صباح. Morning means صباح. Night means يعني الليل. Okay? Yeah. Let's listen to the song.
Tick tock, it's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock, it's time for school. Hear the bell? That's my warning. Now it's 1 o'clock. Time for lunch. 1 in the afternoon. I know that it's lunchtime when I hear this tune. It's 6 o'clock. Homework time. 6 o'clock in the evening. Now I get my homework done. I really like my reading. Tick tock, it's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock at night. Time to go to bed. Time to turn out the lights. From the morning to the afternoon, in the evening and at night, I do all the things I do when the time is right.
So now let's read the song again and write the meanings. نكتب المعاني كمان. Again. From morning to night. From morning to night. حكينا morning means صباح. Morning means صباح. From morning to night. Night means الليل. يعني من الصبح لليل. What do we do? What do we do? ماذا نفعل? From morning to night. Okay? Tick tock. Tick tock. It's the sound for the clock. صوت الساعة. Tick tock. It's 8 o'clock. Tick tock. It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Okay, look. It's 8. It's 8 o'clock. Okay, what do we have to do at 8 o'clock? شو لازم نعمل? 8 o'clock in the morning. بالصباح. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock is time for school. 8 o'clock is time for school. وقت المدرسة. وقت الذهاب إلى المدرسة. It's 8 o'clock. I have to go to the school. So, on At the 8 o'clock in the morning, we go to school. 8 o'clock is time for school. Look, 8 o'clock is time for school. We are going to school. She's the teacher. Okay. Hear the bell. That's my warning. Hear the bell. Can you hear the bell? هل تسمع الجرس؟ جرس المدرسة. The bell of the school. It's my warning. هذا تحذيري. يعني بيحذروني إنه I have to go to the school. Warning means تحذير. Hear the bell. Bell يعني الجرس. Bell. Okay? Bell means الجرس. Again. Tick tock. It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock is time for school. Hear the bell. That's my warning. Warning يعني تحذير. Okay? So at 8 o'clock we go to school. At 8 o'clock, look. 8 بيكون صغير على 8 and the long arm on number 12. long arm الساعة بتكون على رقم 12 والصغير على 8. Okay? 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. إذا كان short arm على 7 شو بتصير؟ 7 o'clock. on 6 6 o'clock. on 5 5 o'clock. أهم إشي long arm الإيد الطويلة لازم تكون على 12. Okay? Okay. Number 2. Now it's 1 o'clock. Okay, now it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. لما يكون عندنا هيك لما نكتب الساعة مثلا 2:00 يعني 2 o'clock. So here it's 1 o'clock. What do we do at 1 o'clock? Now it's 1 o'clock. Time for lunch. It's time for lunch. Look, we have to take our lunch. يعني وقت الغداء. وقت تناول وجبة الغداء. It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock is time for lunch. So now it's 1 o'clock. Time for lunch. Lunch وجبة الغداء. 1 in the afternoon. Okay. 8 o'clock in the morning. الساعة 8 الصبح. أما هاي 1 o'clock in the after. So afternoon means بعد الظهر. We have our lunch. We have our lunch in the afternoon. Afternoon بعد الظهر. noon يعني ظهر. Afternoon بعد الظهر. Okay? يعني after 12 o'clock. بعد الساعة 12 بيصير عنا afternoon. We have the afternoon. So now it's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock حكينا we have our lunch. Now it's 1 o'clock. Time for lunch. وقت الغداء وجبة الغداء. 1 in the afternoon. الساعة 1 بعد الظهر. I know that it's lunch time. Lunch time وقت الغداء. Lunch time لا أحكي breakfast time وقت الفطور. Lunch time وقت الغداء. TV time وقت مشاهدة التلفزيون. Okay? Sleeping time وقت النوم. Playing time وقت اللعب. لما نحكي كلمة time ندخلها مع إيش تاني يعني وقت هذا الشيء. So lunch time يعني وقت الغداء. When I hear this tune. When I hear يعني أسمع. لما بسمع هذه النغمة I know it's time for lunch. Okay? لما بسمع هاي النغمة بعرف إنه this is the time for having our lunch. هذا الوقت لأتناول وجبة الغداء. Okay? When أي ساعة متى at 1 o'clock. Okay? At 1 o'clock. Look, at 1 o'clock we have our lunch. At 8 o'clock we go to school. At 1 o'clock we have our lunch. At 8 o'clock we go to school. Okay? Now let's move to the third thing. What about our homework? Who can tell me what time is it? What time is it? It's excellent. It's 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock we do our homework. على الساعة 6 شو بنعمل؟ نعمل واجباتنا. Okay? So it's 6 o'clock. homework time وقت الواجبات. homework time. homework means واجبات المدرسية. homework واجباتي. okay. homework means الواجبات المدرسية. here in this situation معناها الواجبات المدرسية. again it's 6 o'clock. homework time 6 o'clock in the evening. 6 o'clock in the evening يعني السادسة مساء. excellent. evening يعني مساء. morning صباحا. evening مساء. morning صباحا. evening مساء. let's spell the word evening. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. evening. morning M-O-R-N-I-N-G. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. morning صباح. night N-I-G-H-T. night الليل. evening E-V-E-N-I-N-G. E-V-E-N-I-N-G. evening يعني مساء. 6 o'clock. 6 in the evening يعني الساعة السادسة مساء. I do our homework. We do our homework, sorry. Okay? Okay, so 6 o'clock in the evening. Now I get my homework done. Done يعني انتهيت. I'm done. لما يكون بالحصة صح. لما انتوا تخلصوا الكتابة when you finish writing you say I'm done. So when now I get my homework done يعني انتهيت من واجباتي. I really like my reading. I really like my reading. like يعني أنا معجب بقراءتي. أنا بحب قراءتي. I like my reading. okay. reading يعني قراءتي. reading قراءة. reading. I like my reading. أنا معجب بقراءتي. أنا بحب قراءتي. I really like my reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. reading قراءة. okay. So حكينا at 8 o'clock we go to school. At 1 o'clock we have our lunch. At 6 o'clock we do our homework. 6 o'clock بنعمل واجبات المدرسية. 6 o'clock. طيب لو بدنا نكتب الساعة 6 o'clock كيف نكتبها؟ نكتب 6 0 this is 6 o'clock. okay. This is 1 o'clock. This is 6 o'clock. تمام. tick tock it's 9 o'clock. okay. it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. time to sleep. it's time to sleep. time to go to the bed. So tick tock it's 9 o'clock. it's 9 o'clock at night. again night يعني الليل. لما أحكي لكم good night يعني ليلة سعيدة. good night. okay. this is the night. night يعني الليل. so tick tock it's 9 o'clock. it's 9 o'clock at night. 9 o'clock at night يعني الساعة 9 بالليل. ليلا. time to go to bed. time to go to bed. see it's 9 o'clock. time to go to bed. time to turn out the light. time to turn out the light. when I tell you turn out the light يعني اطفي الضوء. excellent. turn out. turn out. turn out means يطفئ. turn out means يطفئ. turn out the light. light هو الضوء. turn out the light يعني اطفي الضوء. turn out the light اطفي الضوء. okay. okay. so حكينا morning يعني صباحا. afternoon بعد الظهر. evening مساء. night ليل. again you have to know these 4 words. morning صباحا. afternoon بعد الظهر. afternoon بعد الظهر. after دائما نتذكر after يعني بعد. afternoon بعد الظهر. afternoon بعد الظهر أو بعد وقت الظهيرة. okay. evening مساء. evening مساء. بس تبدأ الدنيا هيك تليل شوي. evening مساء. night الليل. night الليل. okay. ليلا أو الليل. Okay, so from the morning to the afternoon, from the morning to the afternoon, من الصبح لبعد الظهر. In the evening and at night. يعني بالمساء وبالليل. In the evening and at night. بالمساء evening, night ليل. I do all the things I do. I do all the things I do. بعمل جميع الأشياء اللي أنا بعملها every day كل يوم. Okay? When the time is right. When the time is right. يعني I do everything at the right time. بعمل كل شيء في وقت المناسب. At the right time. Right time الوقت المناسب. Okay? Okay. So, again, I go to school at 8 o'clock. I have my lunch at 1 o'clock. I do my homework at 6 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock in the night. This in the evening. This in the morning. This in the afternoon. Okay? بدنا نكتب هون afternoon يعني بعد الظهر أنا باخد my lunch afternoon. Okay? Here in the morning. Here in the evening. And here at night. Evening مساء. Night في الليل. At night. Afternoon بعد الظهر. In the morning في الصباح صباحا. Okay? Okay. So now let's jump. هيا نقفز. Let's jump to exercise number 2. Exercise number 2, it's very easy. Listen, point and say. We have to read these clocks, okay? بدنا نقرأ الساعات. What time is it? I ask you يا مجد. يلا, let's start with مجد. مجد, what time is it? It's, look, الإيد الصغيرة وين؟ على الواحد, صح؟ At number 1. And the long arm at number 12. إيش حتكون؟ 1 o'clock. Excellent. It's 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. Here is it. O-N-E. It's 1 o'clock. Excellent. يلا يا نور. Number 2. What time is it? It's 2 o'clock. Excellent. 2. T-W-O. It's 2 o'clock. يلا يا أسل. Number 3. What time is it, أسل? What time is it? It's 3 o'clock. Excellent. It's 3 o'clock. T-H-R-E-E. يلا يا أنسام. Number 4. What time is it? It's 4 o'clock. Excellent. Bravo. يلا مهند. This, مهند, this. Look. The short arm at number 6. The long arm at number 12. It's 6 o'clock. Excellent. It's 6 o'clock. S-I-X. يلا يا علي. What time is it? What time is it? It's 5 o'clock. Excellent. Good job. F-I-V-E. It's 5 o'clock. يلا يا سارة. Sarah, what time is it? It's 7 o'clock. Excellent. Bravo. It's 7 o'clock. يلا يا محمد. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Excellent. It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. 8 o'clock. Okay. يلا يا غيث. What time is it يا غيث? It's 9 o'clock. Excellent. It's 9 o'clock. N-I-N-E. N-I-N-E. يلا يا أنوار. What about this أنوار? What about this? It's شوفي the two arms at the 12. يعني الإيد الطويلة والإيد القصيرة على رقم 12. شو بنحكي؟ Excellent. برافو. It's 12 o'clock. It's 12 o'clock. تنتين على 12. It's 12 o'clock. Excellent. برافو. So, what time is it يا فرح? What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. Excellent. 11 o'clock. شايفين الصغير على 11 الكبير على 12. It's 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. E-L-E-V-E-N. E-L-E-V-E-N. It's 11 o'clock. Okay, now يلا يا لين. Lene, what time is it? Lene and Farah, what time is it? It's 10 o'clock. Excellent. Miral, what time is it? What time is it? يلا. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 o'clock. Excellent. It's 9 o'clock. بنعد لنوصل للرقم. Okay? So this is for exercise number 2. You have just to read the clocks. تقرأ الساعات. Okay? طيب. Now, exercise number 3. Interesting. Okay. Stick and say. Stick and say. You have to stick the stickers. تمسك الstickers تلصقهم هون. From the last page, I think. From here. Unit 6. These are the clocks, okay? Look. Here, I'm asking you, what time is it? Here, it's 10 o'clock. بدك تمسك الساعة هون اللي فيها 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock when here and to stick it here, okay? The first one, it's time o'clock. The second one is 12 o'clock. 12. The third one, it's 5 o'clock. أنا كاتب رقم بخط صغير. The fourth one, it's 2 o'clock. كيف نكتب الساعة 2 o'clock? 2 o'clock. 5 o'clock. 12 o'clock. 10 o'clock. It's 7 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. Okay? So you have to stick the stickers here. Okay? Okay. For now, our class is finished. I hope you enjoyed the class and I hope you understood everything. If you have any question, you can come and ask me. Okay? Okay. Goodbye, my lovely students.